Namaste and a very good morning, dear students. This is Yojana ma'am once again with your maths class. And children, I hope you all are keeping fit and fine. And children, as you all know, we are doing time and we have already covered o'clock and half past. Now today we will get into the class and try to learn the position of the hands of minutes and hours and know the times quarter to and quarter past. Children, let us first of all revise what we did in the last class. We did that when minute hand is at 12, the time is going to be o'clock. For example, if minute hand is at 12 and hour hand at 4, the time is going to be 4 o'clock. And if minute hand is at 6, the time is going to be half past. For example, if minute hand is at 6 and hour hand has crossed 2, the time is going to be half past 2. Children, if you divide a clock into 4 equal parts, you will get 4 quarters. One quarter from 12 to 3, the other one from 3 to 6, from 6 to 9 the third one, and the fourth one from 9 to 12. So a clock can be divided into 4 equal quarters. Quarters mean 1/4, right? And each quarter here you will see has 15 minutes. From 12 to 3 is also 15 minutes, 3 to 6 also, 6 to 9, and from 9 to 12 all have 15 minutes. So a clock has 4 quarters each of 15 minutes. And you are already aware that when minute hand travels from 12 to 6, it covers the half portion of the clock and time is read as half past. If you look at this clock, here minute hand is at 3 and see, it has travelled from 12 to 3, means it has travelled 1/4 of the clock, right? 1/4, which quarter? From 12 to 3. Now here in this clock, minute hand has travelled a quarter of the clock and time can be read as quarter past the hour. And which hour? For that we have to look at the hour hand, and here our hand is at 12. So the time is quarter past 12. And quarter means 15 minutes. So digitally this time can be written as 12:15. For example, see, one more example we can do. Here also minute hand is at 3 and hour hand at 2. So the time is quarter past 2. Means after 2 o'clock the minute hand has travelled 15 more minutes. So time can be written as 2:15. If we take this clock, here also minute hand is at 3 and hour hand at 10. So time would be quarter past 10, means after 10 o'clock 15 minutes. So 10:15. Right, children? Now look at this clock. What is the time? Yeah, it is 12 o'clock. Both hands at 12. And here in this clock, minute hand is at 9 and hour hand is about to reach 1. Now take a close look, children, and see this minute hand has travelled 3 quarters of the clock. Which 3 quarters? 12 to 3, 1, 3 to 6, the other one, and from 6 to 9 is the third one. So we can say it has travelled 3/4 part, means 3 quarters. And you know, only this much part means 1/4 of the clock is left, and if it travels this, the time is going to be, yes, time is going to be 1 o'clock. Means minute hand has to travel a quarter to make it 1 o'clock. You got my point? I said minute hand has to travel only a quarter to make it 1 o'clock. So here time can be read as quarter to 1. Right? Means after 12 o'clock. Earlier it was 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, the minute hand has travelled from 12 to 9, means it has completed 45 minutes after 12. So digitally this time can be written as 12:45. Right? So whenever our minute hand is at 9, the time would be read as quarter to. We can understand it by one example. See, here minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is about to reach 6. So time can be read as quarter to 6. Or we can say after 5 o'clock it is 45 minutes. 5:45. One more example we can do. Yes, minute hand at 9 and the hour hand about to reach 10. So time would be quarter to 10 or 9:45. Right, children? So let us see what all have we learnt in this time video. See, if minute hand is at 12, time is going to be o'clock. If minute hand is at 6, the time would be read as half past. If minute hand is at 9, quarter to, and if minute hand at 3, quarter past. So I hope children we are clear with this clock thing and are ready to read the time given to us. Right, children? Thank you so very much and take very good care of yourself. Take care. Bye-bye.